In addition to the direct perpetration, the accused DMP Commissioner Habibur Rahman, Joint Commissioner Sudip Kumar Chakraborty, and Additional Deputy Commissioner Shah Alam Muhammad Akhtarul Islam held superior status over the other accused subordinate to them, and as such, they had the responsibility to stop the killing and injuring the protesters at some stage of the operation. But they abstained from discharging this superior responsibility as well, whereupon they are also liable under the principle of superior command responsibility. It is noteworthy here that the learned state defense counsels cross-examined all the prosecution witnesses but could not bring out any material departure or substantial discrepancy in their testimony. All the suggestions put by the learned state defense counsel have been disavowed by the witnesses and termed as untrue by them. Under all the afore discussed facts and circumstances, we do find and hold beyond reasonable doubt that accused DMP Commissioner Habibur Rahman, Joint Commissioner Sudip Kumar Chakraborty, and Additional Deputy Commissioner Shah Alam Muhammad Akhtarul Islam committed crimes against humanity under Section 32A, G, H, and 41, 42, and 43 of the International Crimes Tribunals Act 1973, and they are punishable under Section 20 and 20A of the Act. Accused as Assistant Commissioner Imrul, Inspector MD I have to add, they are punishable under Section 20 and 20A of the Act, and they deserve to be awarded the maximum sentence. Accused A.C. Ibrul, Inspector MD Arshad Hussain, Constable MD Sujan Hussain, Constable Imaz Hussain, Imon, and Constable MD Nasirul Islam committed crimes against humanity under Section 32A, 32G, 32H of the International Crimes Tribunals Act 1973, and they are punishable under Section 20 and 20A of the Act. These accused deserve to have the benefit of the extenuating circumstances as enunciated hereinbefore. Hence ordered that accused DMP Commissioner Habibur Rahman absconding, Joint Commissioner Sudip Kumar Chakraborty absconding, and Additional Deputy Commissioner of Police Shah Alam MD Akhtarul Islam absconding be found guilty for the commission of crimes against humanity under Section 32A, 32G, 32H, 41, 42, and 43 of the International Crimes Tribunals Act 1973, and thereupon each of them is hereby awarded a single sentence of death for all the offences together. Accused Assistant Police Commissioner MD Imrul absconding be found guilty under Section 32A, 32G, 32H of the International Crimes Tribunals Act 1973, and thereupon he is hereby awarded a single sentence of imprisonment for 6 years for all the offences together. Accused Inspector MD Arshad Hussain in custody be found guilty under Section 32A, 32G, 32H of the International Crimes Tribunals Act 1973, and thereupon he is hereby awarded a single sentence of imprisonment for 4 years for all the offences together. Accused Constable MD Sujan Hussain in custody, Constable Imaz Hussain Imon in custody, and Constable MD Nasirul Islam in custody be found guilty under section 32A, 32G, 32H of the International Crimes Tribunals Act 1973, and thereupon each of them is hereby awarded a single sentence of imprisonment for 3 years for all the offences together. The sentence of death shall be carried out in accordance with the provisions laid down in section 20, subsection 3 of the International Crimes Tribunals Act 1973, preferably pursuant to the long-standing practice. The period of sentence of imprisonment of the accused in custody shall be computed from the date of their being taken to the custody in connection with this case. The period of sentence of imprisonment of the absconding accused be computed from the date of their surrender or arrest as the case may be. The properties of the accused sentenced with death be confiscated in favor of the state. The convict accused be at liberty to prefer appeal to the Appellate Division of the Supreme Court of Bangladesh against the order of conviction and sentence within 30 days from today in accordance with the provisions under section 21 of the Act. Let the accused Inspector MD Ashad Hussain, Constable Sujan Hussain, Constable Imaz Hussain, Imam and Constable MD Nasirul Islam be committed to the prison at once with the custody warrant or with the warrant of commitment. Let conviction warrant be issued towards the concerned jail authority accordingly. Let warrant of arrest be issued against the absconding accused Habib Rahman and others. Let warrant of arrest together with a copy of this judgment be transmitted to the Inspector General of Police, another one to the District Magistrate Dhaka, another copy to the Honorable Minister, another copy to be transmitted to the Secretary, Ministry of Law, Justice and Parliamentary Affairs, another copy to the Secretary, Ministry of Home Affairs. Let a copy of the judgment be supplied to the accused Inspector Ashad Hussain, Constable Sujan Hussain, Constable Imaz Hussain Imam, Constable MD Nasirul Islam in custody free of cost. Let a copy of the judgment be supplied to the prosecution free of cost. The registrar of the tribunal shall do the needful in connection with the judgment and order.